So guys, for the first method, you want to unplug your mouse from your computer and then plug it back in. See if that works for you. If that does not work, you want to unplug it and then plug it into a different port and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other points and devices, and then you want to right click on your mouse and then click on update driver and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers installed for your mouse. Your mouse might also come with a software like my one does. I've got the G43 Hero mouse and it comes with Logitech G-Hub software. So if your mouse does come with a software, you want to head over to the software, then click on your mouse and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down, then click on additional mouse settings. And now you want to click on pointer options. You want to untick enhance pointer position. And then you want to take display pointer trails and then set this to short and then click on OK. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do the updates the computer may have. Then after this, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.